All right, fatigue, bloating, PMS, anxiety, weight gain. These are all things that so many women struggle with. I am Dr. Beth Westie, women's health and hormone expert. And a lot of times when you've been struggling with these symptoms, you will have tried all these things too, right? Magnesium, seed cycling, DIM. That's a specific supplement often used for estrogen. Maybe doing a gut detox or even yoga. And more often than not, what gals will do is they'll say, oh my gosh, I'm fatigued. I got to do something about that. Oh, I know. Maybe I just need to increase my magnesium. And that's what they target, right? Oh, I'm bloated. I for sure need to do this gut detox that I saw, right? Oh, maybe you can't see that. Let me switch my marker. This marker's running out of juice. I'm going to do this gut detox. That's for sure going to help. I've got PMS. Oh, I could probably seed cycle. Maybe I could also try DIM. That's going to totally help. I've got this anxiety issue. I know. Yoga is supposed to be really good for anxiety. And then with weight gain, you're thinking, I've done it all. I've tried it all. But here's the biggest issue, right? Is that you're trying all these things and maybe you saw a small result for a little bit, but those results didn't stick and those results didn't last long. And then you're thinking, where do I start again? I still have all these issues, right? 3 months from now, 6 months from now, you're still feeling like you're starting all over again, right? And the problem is that you're not just like doing the wrong things. The problem is you haven't identified the pattern that's driving these things overall. Anytime you hear any information about this thing helps this symptom, you're not being told about the driving pattern behind it and what's really going on and how these patterns are connected with each other to really see your whole body as whole health. So we're going to dive into that today. Now, if you're thinking, oh my gosh, that's what I need to learn more about, that's what I want to dive into, make sure you go click the link and enroll in our root cause pattern mapping framework. This is a workshop I am doing live. So I will go through this with you live. It's just $17 and you can, show up, ask questions if you need, but I'm going to take you through this. You get this PDF. I walk you through step by step so you can identify the exact patterns that you have issues with, and then you know where to start and what to address. There's no guessing. You get a framework to go off of, a concrete starting point, and then understanding how this is all laid out and how everything is connected. So with this in mind, we're going to go through some of the framework patterns here and talk about it. Let me just erase this quick, right? Because you're thinking, oh my gosh, all of these things, they're separate things, right? They're separate things. Not necessarily. When they're driven by a certain pattern, when they're driven by a certain system pattern, and we identify that, it completely changes the game. So let's go through the first one, right? We're going to talk about the symptoms overall, right? If you have insomnia and you're fatigued, things like that. Is it cortisol? Is it a progesterone issue that you don't have enough progesterone balance for that? Is it a blood sugar issue? Are there other factors at play that are keeping you up at night, right? If you're bloated here, is it a gut terrain breakdown issue? Is it a digestive issue? Is it an estrogen issue, right? That absolutely can be an estrogen issue impacting the constant bloat that you have. Or is it a cortisol issue that's impacting your gut, that's driving up the bad bacteria, driving down the good bacteria, impacting the overall microbiome balance? Weight gain, is that cortisol? Is it thyroid, right? Is it blood sugar? Is it estrogen? So that's where we're looking at this stuff. So let's real quick, the patterns that we're going to talk about: cortisol, progesterone, estrogen. I'm going to write DHEA and then gut. So DHEA is your androgens, right? So when we talk about this, and this is what helps us really identify and really connect all these things and discover, oh my gosh, this is really one of the dominant patterns for me. And I'll be honest, I'll give you a little sneak peek as to the previous workshop that I did. One of the things that so many women realized was an issue that they had no idea. This one right here. So surprising, so shocking. So this cortisol dysregulation, that can contribute to that fatigue, right? If you're up in the middle of the night, you're exhausted, no matter how much you try and sleep throughout the day, take a nap, you can never catch up on rest. you're having that, weight gain in the midsection, sometimes you feel more anxiety coming out of nowhere. There's that. Low progesterone, you can have dysregulated cycles. You can feel a lot more PMS symptoms, breast tenderness, mood swings, rage feeling, and not sleeping well before your period, right? Estrogen metabolism, a lot of times that is associated with having heavier cycles and hot flashes, things like that. Night sweats, that's a big one too. Water retention, histamine reactions, redness, flushing on the skin, and as well as digestive issues and things like that. DHEA, this decreased, androgen and testosterone, huge for low motivation, brain fog, not recovering from workouts, not having that physical energy, that oomph that you used to have. That's that one. And then digestive system, right? Reacting to foods, feeling like you drink water and you bloat, or not understanding like, good Lord, I ate this yesterday. Why does I know it was fine yesterday. What's going on with my gut today? Right? These are all issues. And again, identifying which patterns are driving these symptoms lets you target the pattern. It lets you target this system first. That's how you take care of this. That's how you go about it. It is a completely different way of looking at your system and moving forward with it. So patterns are not interdependent, right? They are layered. They do interact with each other. And more often than not, we find that there's at least a couple, if not 3 patterns. I mean, very rarely are you going to have all 5, so don't worry about that. But it is in this workshop where we're going to be going over this information live. I'm going to deep dive into it and really show you, okay, if this is what you've got going on, this is the pattern to target. This is where you start. And then you go from there, right? Because when we look at cortisol and blood sugar instability, we want to make sure we're targeting the right things first. Otherwise, if cortisol is a piece of this, it's like, I have gut issues and things like that. But if cortisol is also an issue, I don't care if you're taking the best supplements and things on the planet for gut, you are not going to get better and stay better, because that cortisol is constantly going to come in and mess everything up that you are really working on. And if you know what I'm talking about, you can be like, oh my gosh, yes, that's totally me. I've had that happen so many times. This is the workshop for you. This is the workshop for you. So you don't have to keep wondering. You don't have to, keep thinking, oh my gosh, I keep messing this up, or maybe there's one more magic supplement I need to try. No, you have to target a whole system, a whole complete pattern, and work with that and make sure nothing else is being missed. That's what we're going through in this live workshop. So again, click the link, join for just $17. If you can't make it live, you will get the replay, of course, but there's so much value in coming live because I can answer those questions for you right there. And share this with other people. If you're like, oh my gosh, I was just talking to so-and-so about my hormones, share this. This is such a valuable thing because it really gives you clarity on where to start. So you stop guessing and stop wondering if you're just wasting your time. So that's what I got for you guys today. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for being here. Hopefully this makes sense for everything. Otherwise, I'll see you at that workshop.